In this video, we're going to tell you guys how Veridian Credit Union accepts everyone and has $40,000 limits.
Okay, money magnets, let's dive into what products they have and how this credit union can benefit you. So the first card is the Visa Signature Card. Now, this particular card doesn't have an annual fee to hold it in your wallet. And y'all know how I feel about cards that don't have a fee, okay? Now, the next wonderful thing about this card is you can earn up to 2% cash back off of every swipe. I love this. Now, these cards don't have a lot of perks, but the ones that they do, I'm all for it, Marvin. It also gives you free balance transfers, so you don't have to pay to do a balance transfer. Now, Marvin, let's see what else this particular credit union has to offer.
All right, guys, I want to make sure you like and share this video. Remember, it's open to everyone. And guys, if you have any experience with Veridian Credit Union, make sure you drop a comment below. But Gloria, let's jump into the Visa Platinum Rewards card. All right, with this card, you have no annual fee, free balance transfers, you got benefits for travelers. So if you like to travel, this might be the card. You can also earn points for cash, gift cards, and merchandise. And you got tap to pay, which I'm struggling to learn, but Gloria's been teaching me. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Now, the next card is the Visa Platinum Card. Now, this card doesn't have an annual fee. And one thing I love about this card, you can use it as a secured card too, if you didn't get approved for any of the other cards. Now, that's a good way for you to build your credit, money magnets. It doesn't have a lot of perks to this card,
right? But
the wonderful thing about this card is, guess what? You can rebuild and reestablish your credit.
And remember, these cards go up to $25,000. And the great thing about it, you can use with Clutch to pre-qualify without even entering your social. So when you go in, you can pre-qualify with your phone number and basic information to see if you get pre-approved before taking a hard pull.
And Marvin, that's one thing that I love. Now that they have Clutch, it's so easy for you to get a pre-approval nowadays. So you can know what you're stepping into. But Marvin, let's see what else this credit union has to offer.
All right, they got auto loans. They go up to 84 months. And if you wanted to refinance, you can. Let's just say if you're stuck in a high interest loan with another credit union or bank, you can use Veridian to refinance, get a lower rate. And the cool thing about it, they got a calculator where you can look at your down payment, your trade-in value, where you can estimate your monthly payments. And that's pretty cool to know what you're getting into before you actually do it.
Time out, Marvin. Did you say that you can get pre-approved for it?
Yes.
And they have a calculator?
Yes.
Okay, y'all, I need Marvin to put his information in here because it's time for my new vehicle.
Hey, let's do it, baby, if you want to. And the cool thing about this credit union, guys, you can actually schedule an appointment. You can make a video call. So it really appeals to if you live in a different state, because this credit union basically appeals to people that live in Minnesota, Iowa, or Nebraska. But if you join the Habitat of Humanity in Iowa for $5, you put $5 in a savings account, guess what? You just became a member no matter where you live at. That's what I love about this credit union.
Okay, now let's get to the big boy, the $40,000 personal loan. This is the part that I'm loving because you can take out a personal loan with this particular credit union. And the wonderful thing about it is you can use it to, maybe you want to consolidate some debt. You have credit card utilization problems, or maybe you have some home improvements that you want to make.
Correct.
Or you want to take a vacation. This is a good way. Or hold up, Marvin. Did I not forget? You want to start a new business, money magnets. This is a good way for you to jumpstart your business. So don't sleep on this $40,000 loan.
And if you have trouble with your credit, they have a payday loan that goes up to $1,000. They give you half of it up front, and then when you pay off that $500, they give you another $500. And if you need something for your checking account, they have a quick draw line of credit that can be attached to your checking account so that you never have an overdraft. So when you're looking at their personal loans, I think they have a lot to offer. And if you ever had to be late or you wanted to miss a payment, for just $30, you can pay for a delay of payment, which I haven't heard that with too many credit unions at all.
And Marvin, this is a good way. So I know that life happens to all of us, and you may have a situation where you could miss a payment. This right here would most definitely help you, Marvin, because you won't get a 30-day late. You can just push that payment out.
Right. And remember, with Clutch, they're going to look at Experian. But with some of the other products, we've heard that they may look at TransUnion. With the personal loans, keep in mind, you're going to have a 720 or higher.
Yes.
They say that you have to have a proven track record of your employment. So expect to come up with pay stubs, or maybe they may log into your bank account with Plaid because they want to see your direct deposit. So this will be full docs when it comes to the personal loans. Now with the credit cards, it's going to be no docs. And with some of the payday loans, you could even have less than perfect credit to get a secured card or the payday loan. So they have really something to offer for everyone. Now, Glory, let's tell them about homeowners that may have equity in their home that they can pay it off earlier.
Okay, Marvin, this right here kind of caught my eye because it's called the 10 and done loan. Now, with this particular loan, it helps you pay your home off in 10 years.
Yeah.
And it's good for if you already have a home and you're looking at refinancing.
Right.
This is a good option for you to look at this particular loan because I haven't seen any other banks that offer something like this.
Yeah, like imagine being able to pay off your home in less than 10 years and you get a better monthly rate and a better interest rate. I think this is worth a video call or making an appointment with them. But Gloria, let's tell them about the other mortgage products that they have.
Now, this credit union is good for first-time home buyers because they do have a program for you. And the wonderful thing about the first-time home buyers program, they have tutorial videos that can help you understand purchasing a home, help you understand what is the first-time home buyers program.
Also, if you're in the military, they have a VA program where you can get 100% financing. Now, they have adjustable rate mortgages. So if you're thinking about refinancing in 5 years or maybe 7 years, you may want to choose an adjustable rate. And if you're looking for a house that's up to $2 million, they have jumbo mortgages.
Most definitely. Okay, Marvin, let's not forget they do have a construction loan. So if you're looking to build a home, this would be the perfect credit union for you to look at. Also, I love the fact that you can meet with the mortgage team and discuss what is the best product that fits your needs, as well as schedule an appointment. You can apply online and know what rates they're going to offer you, as well as they have a mortgage calculator. Like, this credit union has everything laid out right there for you.
And keep in mind, make sure your personal information is correct. And when you're applying for a mortgage, be prepared to have 2 pay stubs, 6 months bank statements, and maybe 2 years taxes to get pre-approved. And guys, remember, your personal information is so important. Make sure your name, address is correct. Get rid of some of those previous addresses. And one critical thing we've seen hold up a lot of people on applications, make sure your current employer is there and that you do have the information that you need before applying. And if I was going for a mortgage, I would make sure all 3 of my bureaus are above 720. I got less than 3 inquiries on all 3 bureaus and less than 3 inquiries on my check systems if I want a great chance at getting approved. And one last thing, no freeze, no fraud alerts.
Okay, Money Magnets, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you are a business owner and you're looking for a business credit card, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.